This is another example where we are using the if condition. So in this program we are finding the largest number. So what we are doing is we are taking three numbers from the user and we are taking three variables for the same. So num1, num2, num3 will be the three variables to store the three values. So in the first statement up over here we are saying num1 is equals to int input enter the first number. So we are displaying a message on the screen and asking the user to enter the first number. The value received from the user will be in the form of string, which is by default the type of input function. That has to be typecasted, so we are using the int function up over here and storing the value in this variable. Likewise, we are receiving the two values again, num2 and num3. So once all the three numbers are being received, we have to assign one value as the maximum value, the highest value. So we are assuming that the first number will be the highest value, the maximum value amongst the three numbers, and then we have to compare the other two numbers with the first one. So here we are using the if condition and we are checking if the second number is greater than the first number, like which is the maximum value that we have assumed. So if the second number will be the greater one, so the max value will change. Likewise, if num2 will not be greater than max, so the max value will not change. Likewise, we are adding another if statement up over here and we are checking the third number, like if num3 is greater than max. So if this condition will be true, then the value of max variable will be changed and num3 will be assigned as the maximum value. After that, we are using a print statement and we are printing the result. So whichever amongst the three numbers will be the highest value, the maximum value, that will be printed using this statement. So when we run the program on the idle, click on the run module and it is asking us to enter the first number, let's say 10, second number, let's say 20, and the third number, let's say 30. So it says 30 is the largest one. Now let's change the sequence of the given numbers, input numbers by the user. So this time we say that the first number is 30 and the second number is 20 and the third number is 10. So again it is saying that 30 is the highest value. Again, if we change the sequence and this time make the second number as the largest one. So let's say the first number be 10 and the second number be 30 and the third number be 20. So again it says the largest value is 30.